in the car jumping on him. We want to know why you was in the car jumping on him.
Hey, who you here, bro?
Just wait. Man, don't grab him. Hey, man, don't do that shit, bro. Hey, I got him on live. I got his ass on live. He got him fucking handcuffed, man. You ain't had no business jumping on him. You ain't had no business jumping on him. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit. He got on handcuffs.
He got on handcuffs.
He got on handcuffs.
Yeah, bitch. We
don't care. You need to be going.
Bitch, y'all been getting away with this.
You need to be going to jail. You need to be going to jail. That shit don't make no sense.
Don't get a lawyer.
That shit don't make no sense. You need to be going to jail.
You going to jail. You going to jail. And then when we come back, he was on top of you, kneeing you and fighting on you and everything.
Man, this man jumping on him, man. All up finna go to jail, so somebody come get him. But this man right here jumping on the man, y'all just seen him wrestle the man down. The man got on handcuffs. It's easy to break his wrist like that. It's easy to break his wrist like that.
You had him in the back seat, beating on him and everything. That's why he kept telling us, go ahead. Yeah, we seen you when we pulled up. You had him in the back seat, kneeing him and everything. You got to leave him aside, bro.
That's how George Floyd got killed. That's how George Floyd died. That's how George Floyd died. That's how George Floyd died. That's how George Floyd died right there. You remember George Floyd? That's how George Floyd died right there. He got handcuffs on him. You was in the car jumping on him. You in the car jumping on him. You shut up. Ain't no shut up. We don't give a damn. You was just in the back seat beating him up. Man, take us to jail. Take us to jail. Man, we seen you in the back seat beating him up while you already restrained.
You dead motherfucking wrong, man. Get me out these bushes, bro. You dead wrong, bro.
Man, somebody get Magnolia Police out here, man. See what they got going on out here. This McComb. Man, McComb Police, please come out here. We don't mind going to jail, but this shit ain't right. We just caught the state trooper in the back seat. He ran us off. He was in the back seat beating him up. Yeah, we don't care about going to jail. All of us can go to jail.
You ain't been civilized.
Man, we ain't did nothing.
I ain't taught you. I ain't touched you. I ain't came over there. You can't stop me. This is a public motherfucking road.
Now look at this shit. You done threw him down, now you gotta get up. Get in, don't let the man break your wrist, man. The man trying to hurt you, bro. The man trying to hurt you, man. The man trying to hurt you. Look at this weekend, he trying to hurt you, bro.
That bitch know what he's doing.
The man trying to hurt you, bro.
He told him one time, move on, go on, nothing.
He got to be the police car when he came. Look at this shit. He kneeling him. He kicking him, man. He kicking him. He got to be the police too, cause when he came, that's when he went on and grabbed him and threw him down and all that shit.
What you asked him, you said, what you need me to help you do?
He's a police officer, bro.
So?
I don't know him, and you don't yelling and cussing.
He jumping on our brother. If somebody jumping on your...
I'm just standing here,
It's
bro.
our
I
brother.
ain't done nothing.
If somebody...
But he ain't asked you to leave now time.
You're fucking yelling at me.
He ain't asked you to leave now.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
He ain't asked you to leave now time.
Man, fuck you, dude.
He ain't asked you to leave now time.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. We still got you.
For what?
So we don't care.
You going to no motherfucking jail? For what? For what? For what? For what?
We ain't did nothing.
For what?
We ain't did nothing.
For what?
For recording you.
For recording you? So you going to jail?
We ain't did nothing.
I'm telling you right now, y'all still here when these other folks get here. Y'all
We waiting on the police. We gonna show these videos.
We waiting on them. You don't think we fucking waiting on them? Man, we waiting.
This ain't. Don't act like we trying to jump on you. We record what you doing. We record what you doing. All we doing record what you doing.
You going first. We waiting on them.
Don't get in that car. Don't get in that car.
For what? I ain't getting in no car.
Put the phone down.
I ain't getting in no car.
I'm letting you know, turn around, put your hand on your head.
Man, I ain't getting no
Put your hand on your head. Put your hand on your head. Just put your hand on your head, Mook. Just put your hand on your head. Just put your hand on your head. It's okay.